This was my Christmas present to myself. I'm a full-time musician, but I was a low voltage tech in the past, and I might be in the future. We'll see. And so I thought I'd just show what I did with this bag. I used to have the big roller veto bag, but I'm probably gonna make that for like bigger tools, like a hammer drill and like an oscillator and stuff like that. Things that I won't keep in this more light duty bag. So yeah, you can see it's brand new. Haven't done anything with it. So I just put a fish tape in the front here. There's this big pocket here, so you could put a few meters or whatever on in there. And then in the front here, I've got a stubby and a set of security bits. Often need to grab those. And then I put this multi out here. Often need that for those security bits anytime I'm doing camera work or whatever. There's the tape hanger and, you know, Sharpies and everything here. Okay. So this front thing, I kept a bunch of, this is actually just regular drill bits. Thought it was something else. So then I've got two drills. I've got like a drill and a impact, and those are just the M2s. And then down there I've got two batteries for those. So assuming the batteries are charged, I would have two drills to do what I want, and then accessories for the drills. So, you know, various kind of longer like sockets and these whole things if I need to cut out a spot for a strike in wood or just get through some drywall quick to make a hole to get a cable through. Got my pass-through crimper, my regular crimper, and then a needle nose and a pliers. Down below I've got this extender. I've got a reamer. I've got little mini snips. I've got, I think, strippers. Yeah, strippers for various stuff. And then I've got my, you know, my snips there, some pliers, like some Nip-X pliers. Yeah, and then like a 7-in-1 socket thing. That's kind of handy sometimes. Probably redundant, but just, you know. Well, no, it's not. It's a hand tool. It's useful. In the front here, I've got some hammer drill bits, and then like a little level, you know, in case I'm doing putting up conduit for some reason. You know, same thing, putting up conduit. Might need these for some light duty stuff. But, you know, like I'm a low volt guy, so I do nerd shit more than I do actual stuff. Okay, good. Let's go to the back. Oh, and these are rods and a drywall saw. That's very important. Rods, very important. Okay. Let's see. In the back, so this is a mag pole for fishing down walls. You can attach it to like this lead or like to a chain that I have in here, this chain, and you can fish cable down walls with that. Oh, see, it's really magnetic. So there's plenty of space. I like to hang my glasses on the hooks up here. I did that in my old bag too. These are more bits that fit in my in this multi, you know, so just like an assortment, because you never know what you might run into. And in there, very important, I keep like this adapter would hold all these, so I can put them in my drill in case I run into a Robertson or whatever. Or like, here's some Torx, you know, might need those. But anyways. So in here is kind of the nerd stuff actually. Like I got a multimeter, got my punch down, stud finder, tester. Just keeping the one tester in here. I've got another one elsewhere, but toner, probe. This is like all of the other end of the tester, like, you know, you put this on the jacks on the other side, you can test multiple, like set up 10 of these on the other end and then go back to the closet and test from the closet, do like 10 in a row. Saves you trips walking back and forth. A couple adapters for like, I can crimp these onto coppers if I'm toning and I want to tone certain pairs or something. I don't know how often I do that, but it just came with the tester. And some extra cables and like, you know, female to female adapters, that kind of thing. Just gotta have that stuff. Up here, there's some really good spots for bits. So like I've got my mini screwdrivers. That's a concrete thing. Some little sockets for in the drill. A handful of these impact bits that are not in this case. So these are like drill bits, but these ones you could put in an impact as well. And you know, I'm not exactly nuanced in my work, so I just use an impact most of the time. And a couple unibits, little mini screwdriver again, you know. And then gotta have patch cables, gotta have those. So anytime you need to use the tester or plug into something, you know, for my computer or whatever. So this is gonna be kind of my light duty bag, and the rest will go in the rolling bag. And it'll probably be a while before I get into doing any more tech work, but at least I've got the tools to do it, and that's it. You know, not a fan of the big rolling bag, but I think this backpack is really good. So that's my quick overview of it.